Hello friends, welcome to BISP trainings and I am Ashwin and today we are going to see how a stacked bar chart is rendered and populated. Look at this. In our last video we have learned how to render a bar chart, simple bar chart, but when we have to show more data in more different way then we use the stacked bar chart like this. And this is how we send the parameters. Look at this. First of all, what does this parameter means? For example, on first number it is India, so India received 2000 leads in Azure and 10,000 leads in Oracle. Second number US, so it means that, let's take second number US, that way it means US received 4000 leads in Azure and 8000 leads in Oracle. So how we extract the data in this format, let's see it. Now see here, I have already created. In our last video we have learned this and this time we are going to see how this is created. Now let's go to the code. I have an Excel sheet, a very short data I have taken. India Azure 2000 and India Oracle 10,000. Similarly, a US Azure 4000 and US Oracle 8000 leads. Okay. Now how to read this file? First of all, with the help of Pandas library, I have read this file. Then I have taken out the unique technology list and unique country list. I have got two lists. Now with the help of nested for loops, I have to get the data listing. Data listing means I have to extract the data in this way. Let me show you. First of all, print country list and another is print. Okay. Now let's reload again. Yes. Now look at this. This is the unique country list and this is the data listing. But again, I have to create a dictionary. I have to make a key value pair of these two lists. So what I will do, I have saved it in series data, label data and series list. There are three keywords mostly used in this fusion chart: see label data, series data and series list. Now what I have done, I have declared a chart dictionary, then key in series list, that means unique technology list, and value in series data, that means this data listing what we received here. This is the data listing. Now what I have done, I have created a key value pair. Now if I show you how it looks like, print let me chart dict. Okay, now let's see. Let's refresh it. Yes, let's refresh it. CHERT. Okay, again we will refresh it. Spelling mistake. Yes, yes. Now see here. First of all, I got these two lists. I have converted these two lists into key value pair, and now I am going to show you what next. I will pass these two parameters here. Now here you can see the fusion page. This is the data stack. This is the div where the data is to be populated, and here is the JavaScript. Now what I have done here, first of all, data stack, render at data stack, here it is written, that means render at, find the ID data stack where you have to render the data. And this is the label data. Label data means, again I am saying, whatever comes on x-axis, that is called label data. So here we show the data, label data, and then data set. Data set means chart dictionary, that is the key value pair we have created. This is the key value in chart dict dot items, series name equal to key and data equal to Again we need a for loop to show the data, and in this way we render the data. Now the same data, once you understood how to render the data, the same data can be shown in different charts. For example, if I want to show it in like where it is, yes, type, where is type, stacked column. If I make it stacked bar, I want to show the data in horizontal way. Now see here, the data will be shown in horizontal. Look at this. Now if I make change in like zoom line, now the same data will be displayed like this. If I make it like drag line, okay, so drag line. So these are different MSSP line area, MSSP line area. So you can show the data in area chart. If I make bar, MS bar 2D or 3D, two different bars will be shown. Look at this, MS bar. Now if I write here MS column, look at this. So in this way we can show the same data into different charts. First, the main thing is that you need to understand the procedure, how the data is extracted and how the data is displayed. So this is how we extract the data. Now in our next video, what we will do, we will provide the facility to user, whatever you want to see in whatever style you want to see, you can have it like this: MS column 3D, horizontal drag line, MS area, horizontal. So in our next video we are going to see how it works. Okay, and if you want to see more videos in our data science, so you can go through my data science videos also. So guys, I hope you will find this more interesting, and till then, goodbye, thank you.